The bell's already been rung, and they've heard it. Out in the dark, among the stars. Ding dong, the god is dead.
17th November 2017. After Justice League released, the fans, the one who had waited all this while to see a true Justice League film, could not get a closure. Fans weren't simply ready to accept what they had seen and what had been done to Zack Snyder's Justice League. Welcome back to Bonsai TV, guys. My name is Anish, and in today's episode, I'm going to continue the story of Zack Snyder's Justice League, a legend in the making. Months following the release of Justice League in November 2017, a movement started. Or as I should say, a fight started. Hashtag release the Snyder Cut started trending everywhere online. Storyboard artist Jay Oliva was one of those very few people who from the very beginning stood with the fans. For 3 years, Zack Snyder helped his fans keeping the fire ignited by revealing countless cryptic details on his social media handle of Hero. There were many leaks about the real story which Zack Snyder had envisioned. Fans kept on the movement. There was San Diego Comic Con 2018, San Diego Comic Con 2019. Fans rallied for the Snyder Cut. Banners were flown outside the convention. And all the money that was collected in this movement, hashtag release the Snyder Cut, went into the charity for suicide prevention. In March 2019, Zack Snyder held a director's cut screening for all his films, and after the screening of Batman vs Superman Ultimate Cut, during the Q&A, he answered a lot of questions about the Snyder Cut to his fans. He revealed a lot about his epic vision for his DC Extended Universe.
And also you on Instagram released an image of Darkseid and stuff like that. So I guess my question is kind of, what the hell happened?
It's a good question.
And what was going to happen?
Look, when this movie came out, understand that we had written... Chris Terrio and I had finished the script for Justice League before this movie came out, right? So that script was done. Movie came out, and some people didn't like the movie. A vocal minority. and so I was asked by the studio to say, hey, you can't, there's a lot of stuff we don't want you to do from that script. So we did a rewrite, right, of the script. So the original Justice League that Chris and I wrote, we didn't even shoot. I mean, there's a lot of it that we shot, but the actual idea, the hard idea, the scary idea, we never filmed because the studio was like, that's crazy. And we were so insecure at the time after this movie came out, we were just like, I guess it is crazy. We're fucking nuts. What are we... There's gonna be mass hysteria in the streets if we film this. Apparently.
And it wasn't until February, finally after 3 years of continuous fight and struggle, fans started to hear some good news from the industry insiders. Executives at the WB had met Zack Snyder to discuss about the potential release of his Justice League. May 20th, 2020, the day finally came when during a watch party of Man of S.H.I.E.L.D. which Zack Snyder had held himself and organized for his fans, he finally announced the release of Zack Snyder's Justice League on HBO Max in 2021. That was the moment. The fight was won. 3 years of clamoring.
Have a question that is the mother of all our questions as a fandom. When will you release the Snyder Cut?
There it is.
Yes.
There it is. It's a hard question. I don't know. What do you think, Henry?
I reckon you should show it.
We're doing it. So get ready.
Oh my God.
3 years of countless tweets, mentions, fight. Fans are finally going to see Zack Snyder's Justice League on HBO Max in 2021. So that was it, guys. This was the story. This was the whole story of Zack Snyder's Justice League. Finally, everything is falling into place now. Things are getting revealed. Finally, everyone is getting back together to reshoot what was left to be shot for Justice League.
I just want to say, I'm sorry I couldn't make it on there live, but I'm very excited that Zack's getting a chance to finally see his vision realized. I think it's a great thing. I'm really excited for the fans to get to see it, and I want to say thank you to the fans because it was their enthusiasm and their passion that made it happen. Without fan support, I don't think it ever would have happened. And I love Zack, and I love his version of the movie, and I look forward to everyone getting a chance to see it. What up, Smith? I'm Bomb of Phantoms, what can I say?
And in August this year, DC's fandom is going to be held Snyder. He's going to answer a lot of things. He's going to bring everyone together finally. And next year, guys, that would be it, which we have been waiting for all this while. The real Justice League would be released next year on HBO Max. This is it, guys. This is really unreal. I'm still not able to believe that this is finally happening. Just last night, Zack Snyder revealed the real teaser of his Justice League. He actually released the real teaser trailer of Zack Snyder's Justice League. If you guys like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to Bonsai TV. Please press the bell icon for more of these awesome content videos. I'll meet you guys next time. Until then, peace out, guys.